Hello everyone, welcome back to this HTML tutorial series. Today we will quickly go over the basic HTML syntax that all the HTML document consists of. Let's begin with the doc type. This left angle bracket exclamation mark doc type HTML right angle bracket tells browser which version of HTML we will be using. Currently at this recording, the current version is HTML5, and this is how we tell browser that we are using HTML5 version. It prevents browser from switching between Kirk mode and standard mode. Okay, this mode has to do something in old days when there used to be different versions for Netscape and Internet Explorer browser before Web Standard. You can go to the MDN website, one of the best resources for any web developer to learn more about these modes. Before HTML5, there were other HTML versions too, and we would have different doc type. Also remember that this doc type is not case sensitive. You may find it being written as all lowercase or the mix of lowercase and uppercase, and it will still work, but it is always good to write like uppercase Doctype and the lowercase HTML. Before HTML5, there were other versions of HTML like HTML4, and if you came up with the legacy HTML files, you may see these doc types. Here are some of the examples. The HTML 4.01 strict doc type where written something like this. It used to be long, and for transitional doc type HTML 4.0 it looks something like this, and for XML 1.0 strict we have like so. And the next one we often see in HTML document is HTML tag. We start with opening HTML tag and we end up with the closing HTML tag. It is a root element of the HTML document. Every other HTML element should be inside this HTML tag, and it is a good practice to add a lang attribute, language attribute, and a value to the HTML tag to help the screen reader technology to choose proper language. Example of the lang attribute, we can have a value like en-us, that's basically saying English, or if we have en-us, that's more specifically saying use English, that's United States. FR for French. Next we have a head tag. Again, head tag, we write this tag in a pair, opening head tag and the closing head tag. Head tags goes inside the HTML tag. It contains metadata about website. The head tag may include other tags like meta, title, style, or scripts. It consists information about the document that we are creating. The content of the HTML tag is not displayed on the browser. Some may argue about the title tag, which is the title for the web page, and it is shown on the top of the browser. It is a title data for the document. We often see these tags, meta tag, title tag, script tag, and the style tags within the head tags. Meta tag, we use meta tag to add metadata to the document. It's always a good idea to set the character set of our HTML document. Meta char set is equals to UTF-8. It specifies the document character encoding. or simply say characters that the document is allowed to use. Again, the title tag, we use this to give the title information to the HTML document. Script tag, we use different scripts in our HTML like JavaScript, and we use script tag to include those. To add the styling information on the page, we use style tag. These all could be a separate topic for future videos. Next, we have a body tag. Again, it's written in a pair, body opening and body closing. It's written within the HTML tag after closing of head tag. This is where we include most of our HTML tags or elements. And the content inside the body tag is used for displaying the content on the browser. You may wonder if switching a body and the head tag such that writing a body first and then head will work or not. Most browsers may load it correctly, but it is not a valid way to do it, so do not do it. Here's the picture of all the tags that we went through. This is just a simplified high-level overview. As we go along our HTML tutorial series, it will be easier what this means. So that's all for this tutorial. We'll be back with another video. Keep watching this HTML tutorial series. Thank you very much. Bye bye.